Hi, you looking for side hustle income? Some nice ways to earn some extra cash to pay down debt, start investing, or just build up an emergency savings account, or just some fun money. I have some ideas for you. Hi, I'm Patti Handy, your financial coach and mortgage advisor, and I am here to share some side hustle ideas with you. First and foremost, I'm going to say take a good inventory of what you love to do. What are your skills? What are your talents? What are your gifts? You all have them. Everybody has that. And if it's something that is hard for you to determine, ask a good friend or a sibling and say, what am I good at? What do you think that I'm talented at? If that is helpful to you to stir up ideas and to brainstorm. So here's 10 different ideas that I have for you. Some may resonate, some may not, based on your talents and skills and what you like to do. I would also encourage you to do something fun that you enjoy, because you're working all day, you're busy with kids, you've got a busy life. Your side hustle should be something that is, creative and fun and a nice outlet, as well as income producing. So first and foremost, if you like to write, there are so many requirements with companies who would love to hire freelance writers or bloggers. They do a lot of that in their world in terms of promotion. So if you can write and you have the ability to do some writing in your own time, consider doing a freelance writing or blogging job. Virtual assistant. So a lot of companies, especially entrepreneurs or solopreneurs, have a lot of needs. And I'm one of them, so I understand that. And as a virtual assistant, and I have a virtual assistant, and it's incredibly helpful. You can do email management, social media posting. I mean, the list goes on and on. So if you like the idea of being a virtual assistant, look into that. Online tutoring. If you've got a skill set in a particular subject and you can tutor, math, science, whatever, English, whatever you enjoy, there's lots of opportunities with online tutoring as well. The fourth is affiliate marketing. So if you have a network of individuals that you know, and you have a product or a service that you like and you enjoy, and you can, refer, truthfully and honestly, and know that you love it and you want to share that, a lot of those companies offer affiliate commissions, and you can earn some affiliate marketing income that way. Graphic design is big. If you've got the talent to be a graphic designer, there's sites like Fiverr and Udemy and Upwork not Udemy, that's something else. Upwork that allows you to host your skill sets, and you can get in jobs that way. Definitely explore those two. Again, Fiverr and Upwork. If you enjoy making fine arts and crafts, sell your handmade crafts, art. There's Etsy, Pinterest, lots of sites that allow you to sell your talented, beautiful pieces of work. You can create an online course for workshops. So if you have a skill set in a particular subject and you want to teach it, you can create a video class, much like this one, only more expanded, and offer online courses. I have one myself, and it's super helpful. It's called Minding Her Money, and it is a great way for women to understand finance and investing. And it's a great way to reach people all over the world. So if you've got a skill or talent, consider creating an online course or a workshop. Virtual fitness coaching. If you love fitness and you're into exercising and personal training or yoga or meditation, any of those things, you can teach those things online. I actually have some friends who do that and do well. You can just, again, enjoy that from the comfort of your home, and you're reaching people all over the country or all over the world, and you're able to help them in their personal quest for fitness. Social media management. This is huge. Almost every company has social media at some point in their business, whether it's posting on the social sites, creating content, creating video. The writing piece of it, managing it all, posting it all is a very big undertaking, and a lot of companies are just too busy doing their own business that they don't have time for social media. So if you can come in and do social media management, I know that is a very huge need right now. And the last one I have, there's certainly many, many more out there, but I'm just going to list out 10 for time constraint here. If you have an unused space that you can rent out, consider doing that. Obviously, if you're having someone come into your home, you need to do some due diligence and find out this person and get some referrals. I'd recommend a family or friend member But if you got like a storage space, in the backyard, some have the ADUs in the backyard, and you can make a Airbnb. Some have garage space that they've converted into a home, and they have a separate entrance. So you create different ways to create money that way. And on that note, I just remember hearing, this is something kind of random, but I'll share it since I'm thinking about it. There is it's kind of strange, but they rent out space to park their car. So if somebody has a spot on their garage or their driveway that they don't use, and somebody else wants to rent that space on the driveway, they charge them rent for parking their car in the driveway. Who knew? Anyways, kind of random, but I just thought of it and I remember seeing it. I thought I'd share it. So hopefully that triggers some ideas. Again, these are great ways to earn some extra side cash, and you never know where it will lead to, especially some of these bigger ones like the writing and the social media management, the VA, the virtual assistant. You can generate some pretty good income that way. And just again, pay off debt, start to invest, play money, whatever it is you want to do. All right, hope that helps. Please subscribe, like, and share, and feel free to reach out with any questions. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.